Okay, this is how to change the pollen or air cabin filter in a Kia Rio 2017 in the UK. Right then. So first of all, passenger side, we have the glove box open. There it is. Just open it up. Now, you might be able to see we have two of these. It's a little knobs just here. So you need to take this one out, and then that just there, by the way, is just a magnetic strip for a light that I've put in. Yours probably won't have the same. And when we take this one out, it's going to drop down. Take it out with one hand, there we go, which now gives us access to this bit here. And here, I'm not sure if we can see this, let me maybe put the torch on. No, we won't allow the torch. So just up here, there is a little bit that you squeeze in, and then you pull it out, and there it is. It just drops down. There is the pollen or cabin filter. Now my MOT failed because, well, no, it didn't fail. It had an amber advisory on it, but I didn't bother with their 40 quid, and I got one for 8 quid from eBay. Let's have a quick look at it. Yeah, that's suitably caked in nastiness. Look at all that. That's awful. Let's see if we can. There we go. That's horrible. I haven't changed this. I'm not sure the last time it was changed, and I've had the car a couple of years. So that's disgusting. So let's chuck that out, and then let's replace the new one. So the one I got for about 8 quid from eBay is Blueprint, and they've been said to make pollen filters for a lot of Japanese companies, car companies. They seem to be the OEM ones for all the Japanese cars. So 8 quid's not bad. Let me pause it and come back to you because I can't unwrap that with one hand. Right then, this is the new one. Just unwrapped it from the plastic. Let me try and get that in focus. So basically now we put it down so the airflow is going down, and we basically just slot it back in, and we save 40 quid in the process. No, we don't. We put it the other way. We put it in this way. Airflow down. There we go. We make a slight mistake and we put it in the right way. And that's it. There it is. Make sure that the leaf is nowhere near going back in. And then this basically slots in like so. So it slots in to the left here, and then you just clip it in. Job's a good one. Then you bring this back up, maybe hold it with your leg. It's not very steady this, but hey. Lock that one back in, there we go. Done. Pick up the other one. They just slot in. They go, and then we just twist it round. Job's a good one. Happy days, all done. I've saved, I'd say, 38 quid doing it like that. Cha-ching. Now, just to show you what's in the cabin filter at the end of the day, I've just knocked it a bit, and there's quite a lot of crap in there. So you really do want to change this. You don't want to just leave it in there. It's awful. It's horrible. All of that. It's just nasty. So yeah, for 8 quid and potentially 3 minutes of your time, get it changed.